Good people, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, forever you are watching. Here I'm in the farm today. I wanted to share with you the progress of our farm where we planted Kales, Collards, Sukuma wiki. We call it Sukuma wiki in my country, Kenya, Africa. You can never get it wrong in farming. Farming is the future. Look at the Kales we planted a few days ago. See, the Sukuma wiki, the Kales Collards we planted a few days ago. Look at how healthy they are. So at this point, we just need to put fertilizer. We need to do side dressing. Side dressing is done this way. Then after 2 to 3 days, we'll weed. After weeding, we will spray. Then after that, we'll start with the next batch of another set of kales planting. We'll plant from here up to somewhere there. You see those dried firewood? Yes, we'll reach there with Sukuma wiki.